Hi guys, welcome to Elf on the Shelf. Today on Elf on the Shelf, Rachel and Ally and Chrissy and Michael coming over today to swim. And they'll be coming like right now. Oh, Rachel and Ally and Chrissy are here. Let's say hi to them. Hi. Hi. Were you swimming? No. Were you waiting for us? Yeah. Are you ready to swim? Yes. Okay, Rachel and Ally, get your clothes off and put on your swimming suits. Okay. Okay, let's go into the pool now. Okay. Hi, it's me, Rachel and Ally, and Snowball. We just got out of the pool, and are you serious? Your dad just left. Why? 'Cause he's tired of you. Oh. And we're gonna play beanbags with Snowball. Okay, Snowball, where are they? Okay, they're in the garage. You guys, let me show you something. So, this is the NFL beanbag. So, I will show you how to throw it. Here's the Raiders, and here's NFL Raiders. So let me throw it in the hole, and you can say on the comments, "Good job, Snowball." So let's try. First, it's me. It's Rachel's turn. It's Allie's turn. It's Snowball's turn. It's Rachel's turn. She gets the corn on the cob one. It's Allie's turn. It's Rachel's. It's Snowball's turn. It's Rachel's turn. The last one, it's Allie. Tell me, who made it into the hole? Was it me, or Rachel, or Allie? Let's see. You might need to watch the video, make sure to see who threw the beanbags in. Hi, Mike. Hi, I fixed your garage door to go out the door. What's wrong with your dishwasher? So it kept leaking, it wouldn't stop. Well, we think it's leaking. Or you think it's leaking from where? Under the sink cabinet. Okay. Well, so you can just let leak. Ha! Well, guess where I was? Oh yeah, we saw you were at Trump rally. Yes, I was. And keep America great again. Mike, how dare you? What? Oh, look what they're doing to you. What? Oh, close. Is that what they did to you? Now they're mad and they threw a ball? Yeah, now you're banned. From where? From your house? Oh. Well, it's okay, live here then? No, you're banned from here. Okay. Bill gave me food for Charlie and Max. So yeah. So Charlie and Max kept eating the food. I mean, not food. Eating the trash out of the trash can. That's gross. It is. So I don't know why they're doing it, but I think they're just hungry. About give them food. I can't give them food. Well, you have a great day. Thank you for trying to fix the dishwasher, Mike. No problem. Have a great day. You too, Mike. This is a Sesame Street book, so let me tell you the names. So the guy is Jordan. The one with the towel is Alan. The one wearing the red shirt and the collar, that's Chris. And that's Big Bird, Snuffy, and Oscar the Grouch. And the one flying is Abby. If you guys don't remember, that's Abby's magic school, and that's the picture of it. This is a book, so my favorite is Big Bird, Snuffy, and Oscar the Grouch. This is a picture of Rachel and Ally with their Halloween pumpkin. If you want, you can watch the alligator with the weights coming down. Well, I want to watch too. Okay, join with us, Mike. I thought I heard fireworks outside. By my house, Chrissy said she heard dynamite by the house. Well, that's not good. And Charlie and Max are scared. Okay, let's just watch the alligator. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If you want, let me show you one of the clock pictures. Hey, stop with the gas leak. Ding dong, 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 ding dong. This is what Snowball did on Saturday when Rachel and Ally came over. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember, these videos are for fun. This video is called Mike, Chrissy, Rachel, and Ally visiting the elf family, and Mike fixing the dishwasher. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment down below saying, "Hi Mike, Chrissy, Rachel, and Ally. We'll see you on the next video. Bye you guys." Bob, stop having your gas leaks. Whoop, sorry, I didn't mean to. Bye.